Vande Mataram, children. Chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. We are continuing with the cell membrane, that is plasma membrane. Yesterday we have seen it is made up of lipids and fats. Today we are going to understand about the three types of solution and which type of material can enter and exit from it. So children, the process in which solvent from higher concentration moves through semi-permeable membrane towards lower concentration is called osmosis. Now, conditions in osmosis, which are the three conditions? Like if the solution is hypotonic, then isotonic and hypertonic solution. So children, just understand. First I am making you understand about what do you mean by hypotonic solution. Now number 4 you can see here. Hypotonic solutions contain lesser amount of solute concentration compared to the surrounding fluid and can force the cell to rupture due to excess input of water into the cell. मतलब ऐसा solution in which there is less amount of solute means more amount of water. That type of solution is called hypotonic solution. So children, here you can understand that when there is a hypotonic solution and cell is placed in that type of solution, the water will enter from hypotonic solution in the cell, and due to that the size of cell will increase, so it will swell up. That is the thing happen in hypotonic solution. Yes, then see the number 3, that is isotonic. Isotonic solutions are those which have the same solute and pH concentration as the surrounding body or fluid or the cytoplasm. मतलब जितना concentration of solute in this cell as well as surrounding medium में भी same proportion रहेगा. So there will be same amount of water coming out and getting in. So net there will be no change in the shape of the cell. So children, here you can see in isotonic solution the proportion or concentration of H2O is same inside the cell as well as outside the cell, that is in the solution. So there will be equal movement of water in and out. So the size of the cell remain normal, unchanged. And then the third type of solution or condition, that is hypertonic solution, means hypertonic solutions contain higher concentration of solute compared to the surrounding fluid and thus push water out of cell, shrinking it. Means here, so here in hypertonic solution the amount of H2O is less in hypertonic solution, means high proportion of solute, concentrated solution होता है compared to the cell. So from the cell the water will come out, and due to that the cell will shrink in size, shrill. Okay, so this happens in different conditions of osmosis. Osmosis mainly takes place where semi-permeable membrane is involved, means molecule has to pass through the membrane. Three conditions, that is isotonic solution, hypertonic solution and hypertonic solution. So now children, after understanding the three different types of solution and the condition of cell in those solution, related to its few analytical type of question I would like to discuss with you. That is, why does the skin of your finger shrink when you wash clothes for a long time? Because the answer is soap solution is hypertonic in nature, which makes the water move out of the cell in your hand and which result in shrinkage of your finger. This you must have observed in your mother's hand also when she wash utensils and clothes for long time. Number 5th, a person takes concentrated solution of salt. After some time he starts vomiting. What is the phenomenon responsible for such situation? Kindly explain. So here, क्यों वो vomit करता है that person? Here, upon consuming salt solution, osmosis process takes place, which results in dehydration. Okay, this is the reason for vomiting of the person who consume salt solution. Okay, that body will be dehydrated and that's why osmosis process takes place and उसके कारण dehydrate होगा and so that person vomits. Now if you are provided with some vegetables to cook, you generally add salt to the vegetables during the cooking process. After adding salt, vegetables release water. So what is the mechanism behind it? So here also same thing happens कि after adding salt, vegetables release water due to the process of osmosis. क्योंकि बाहर का environment, बाहर का जहाँ पे हम salt डालते हैं वहाँ पे hypertonic solution हो जाता है and so the water is released from the vegetables, means the cells of vegetables. The addition of salt makes the external environment hypertonic. This means that the concentration of water outside is lowered as compared to the concentration of water inside the cell, and this results in elimination of water from the vegetables due to exosmosis. Exosmosis मतलब पानी बाहर आना. So you can see number 3 of HOTS. What would happen if an animal cell is kept in distilled water for 24 hours? So distilled water is a hypertonic solution. मतलब hypertonic means water proportion ज़्यादा है. When an animal cell is kept in distilled water, that is in hypertonic solution for a longer time, the water will move into the cell by the process of endosmosis, which will cause swelling of the cell. After the maximum amount of water enters the cell bursts as it no longer can absorb water. So thank you children, do complete your work.